Good day everyone. So now I'm going to be explaining the UpFlux monitoring library and the solution that I crafted and the design for the library that I used. I also have documentation which I have linked. I have that linked to this page below. You're going to see the documentation for the UpFlux monitoring library. But just to show the documentation here, the design document. So for the UpFlux monitoring library, the design document here, which is going to be linked at the bottom of this page. So diving straight into it, here in the Visual Studio, you can see that I have this library structured into the interfaces, models, and the services, as well as utilities. So the whole point of this library is to help us gain access to the metrics such as the CPU metrics, the temperature metrics, the disk metrics, the disk usage, the measures of in this case, which is going to be the quality control machines. So with the help of .NET namespaces, we're able to make a utility class. What this utility class helps us do is just to run. It helps us run Linux commands on the actual quality control machine. As you can see, we're using the bash. So just taking you through one of them, we have the CPU usage. We're using the npstat command, and this command is gotten from the systat package in Linux. And as at the moment I'm taking this video, the systat package works on all Linux distributions at the moment. And so yeah, we're using the npstat command for the CPU usage, and the CPU temperature, we're getting that from the thermozone file and on the Linux system. And the disk usage metrics is we're using the df command. So I'm just going to give a quick demo on the actual quality control machine, which is the Raspberry Pi behind me. So in this case here, in the UpFlux publish folder, I have the monitoring library. So taking you back to the code here, so this is just a library, and in order to interface with the library, I made a sample application, the sample application here, which actually interfaces with the library. So over here, if we ls to see what's in the directory, this place here we can see the UpFlux monitoring library sample application. So we're just going to run that now. And running the application now, we can see the console we're getting. Get CPU metrics, we just use that. Like I mentioned, the CPU metrics is done using the npstat command, which is gotten from the systat class. And you can see we're able to get the CPU usage as well as the load average. And now to get the memory metrics, this gives us the total memory currently on the system, the free memory at the moment, and the memory that has been used so far. And all these metrics are very important to the quality control machines, because we want to be able to monitor the health, we want to be able to see the network load of the machine, and we want, like, in case something happens, or let's say the CPU usage of the machine is spiking, the field service engineers are able to tell from the dashboard that, okay, machine A, there seems to be an issue because the CPU usage is going to go red after a while. So yeah, I think this is going to conclude the monitoring library for now. Thank you.